to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in, man. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your morning, noon, night, whatever time you're watching, to watch my video. I know you guys seen on the thumbnail the box, the Ford Racing box. I don't know how old the box is, but what's inside, man, is awesome, especially for what we paid for it. And I felt guilty about buying it, guys. I really did, man. I was torn because I really need to get the wideband and the exhaust pipe from On 3 on this car so we can get the X pipe bolted up, you know, all that good stuff, because we still got a lot left to do. But I got it because it was a good deal. I mean, I'll let them speak for themselves once I pull them out, and then you guys will understand, and I'll tell you how much I paid for them. I'll straight up tell you. But AC condenser order for this thing, it's on its way. eBay, 60 bucks. I still need to get some type of wrap on the clutch cable, and I've actually thought about just going with some more header wrap, to be honest with you. I don't see why that would hurt anything. So I might end up just wrapping that with some header wrap and see how that comes out, guys. I done 150 feet of that stuff, so I done got, you know, pretty decent at it. So we'll get that right there wrapped up and use it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to use as much of that stuff I can, even though it wasn't that expensive. I mean, seriously, I got like 4 rolls of 50 foot, or 50 foot, 4 50-foot rolls, I should say. I think it was like $30-something, man. It wasn't really that expensive at all. But I need to get that installed. I need to get a battery tray ordered. I'm not gonna reuse the one that was in it because it's shown as use, that's for sure. AC finished up once the condenser gets here. Micro squirt installed, wired up, plugs, wires. If any of you guys have any kind of recommendations on what plug works best, I'm running a stock 302 with just a Explorer upper lower intake and a 7665 turbo. So drop me a comment down below, man, if you got any kind of suggestions, because I actually haven't done any research on that yet to find out exactly what I need to use. So yeah, please help me out. Yeah, just small stuff, man. That's really all I got left to do, just small stuff, but I'm gonna keep you guys right there with me. If I think it's worth filming, I'll film it. If I don't, then I won't film it. I'll show you guys after. But yeah, got the heat sink over here drying. I'm gonna go put another coat on it. I think it's actually almost about 1 o'clock. So I throw my headlamp on, take it out here, hang it, and put a coat on it. Bring it back in here, and we'll let it sit for about 24 hours, and then we'll get ready to put it back on the car. Go ahead and route the wiring to the distributor. Like I said, I haven't got it primed yet. That's another thing I need to get, another issue I should say addressed is the oil filter. Whether or not I want to spend $100 and get that Ford Racing one, or what I'm going to do right yet. I'm just trying to focus on getting this turbo stuff done, you know, mocked up and fitted right and all that stuff to the way we want it. That's what I've been concentrating on the most. I'm hoping once I get that front end down, I ain't got to cut in on it, but who knows. But yeah, we're going to take a look at the box real quick. We're plugging away at the Red Demon, man. It's just waiting on me, and of course, I'm waiting on the money to buy the parts, to be honest with you. And time, of course, as always. But let's check out the box, man. I know that's why you guys stopped by. So let's get into it. There's the Ford Racing box. I wonder what could be inside. It was in this box when I got them, guys. I thought that was pretty cool, though. But I know you guys are going to know what this is. Yep. There goes one. There goes the other. Nice shape, man. Look like they may have been sandblasted. Just never been, I don't believe they've been painted, to be honest with you. It looks like bare metal. I do know these other ones have been. Got a piece of paper. Let's see. Oh, look at there. What is that, guys? Yeah, there goes one. Let's set that down right there. And, oh, look at that. There goes the other. Brand new pads. And I think there's some pins and stuff in that box for them. But yeah, look at there, guys. Is that not awesome or what? Got another set of Cobra calipers. Like I said, I know I didn't really need to buy these things. I needed to buy some stuff for the Demon, but for the price that I paid for these things, it was well worth it. I only paid about 40 more bucks for these than I did for these right here. I give $160 for these, is what I paid for those, brackets and all. These right here, I give 200 bucks. So like I said, guys, you cannot beat that deal, man. That right there was a heck of a deal. So that's why I jumped on them. Like I said, they could be for backup, or I could use them for a future build. So, you know, it sucks. That's why I said I was torn about buying them. I felt kind of guilty and not spending the money on the car. But like I said, guys, for the money, for what I paid for them, $200, you couldn't beat it. Like I said, it has been powder coated, but it looks like it's been riding around in that box. Maybe one of these has been rubbing on top of that, but we will get them cleaned up if we ever use them. They're fine right now the way they are. And of course I'll rebuild them, because I actually rebuilt these. Calipers are super easy to rebuild, guys. I mean, don't never be afraid to try to rebuild a set of calipers. I mean, they look intimidating, but they ain't that bad. As you see, there's our heat sink right there, actually. Nice and painted up. And put one more coat on that and call that done. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got for you in this video. I wanted to share that with you guys. I was pretty excited about that purchase. I don't think that was bad at all, man, to be honest with you. 200 bucks. Like I said, I give 160 for mine. I rebuilt them, painted them, put new pads on them, and new hose, hydraulic hoses. Excuse me. And probably got still less than $200 in that set. $200. I mean, I'd do it again tomorrow. If another set come up, 200 bucks. Yeah, I'll take them. I mean, that ain't a bad price at all, man. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys think that was a good purchase. If you did, drop me a comment down below, man. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Should I have bought the Cobra calipers, or should I just bought the piece that I need for the Red Demon? Just drop a comment down below, man. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you give a thumbs up, man. And most definitely let me know about the whole plug issue. I need to get that figured out so I know what kind of plugs I need to go ahead and get. I can at least get those in the car. You know, I need to know what I need to gap them, what is, you know, a good brand for this build, a hot or cold plug, whatever it may, you know, the case may be. Just drop a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by, tuning in, and hopefully this video wasn't as crappy as the last one. And that's all I got for you guys tonight. It's late, and I am done. I'll see you guys in the next one.